Welcome. If you've ever been on a Discord call and noticed your friends complaining about echoes or unclear audio, don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable echo cancellation and clear up your audio in Discord Mobile, so your voice always comes through crisp and clear. This guide is fully updated, so you'll be set for 2025 and beyond. Let's jump right in. First, open up the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're on the main screen, look for your profile icon. It's usually in the bottom right corner. Give that a tap to head into your user settings. Now that you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you see the option labeled Voice. Go ahead and tap on Voice to open up all the voice-related settings. This is where you can tweak everything to make your audio experience the best it can be. Here's the important part. Scroll down in the voice settings until you find the section called Voice Processing. Under this section, you'll see a toggle for Echo Cancellation. If it's not already on, simply tap the switch to enable it. That's it. Echo Cancellation works behind the scenes to remove any echo from your microphone, making sure your friends only hear your voice, not the background noise or their own voices bouncing back. While you're here, it's a good idea to explore other voice processing options as well, like noise suppression or automatic gain control. These can further improve your audio quality, especially if you're in a noisy environment. So to recap, open Discord, tap your profile, go to Settings, select Voice, scroll to Voice Processing, and toggle on Echo Cancellation. With this simple change, you'll notice a huge improvement in your call quality. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your crystal clear audio on Discord Mobile.